हेलो गाइस। आज हम थोड़ा सा बाहर भी जाएंगे, बट बिफोर दैट आई वांटेड टू मेक अ वीडियो बिकॉज आज फाइनली धूप निकली है एंड आई वाज लाइक लाइटिंग्स गुड, लेट्स गेट समथिंग मेड. सो या so finally, now that my blush is on point. So what we are going to discuss today is how to find your rental accommodations in Milan before coming here, because there is a problem of not having your CODIS and people not giving you apartments because उनको पहले CODIS fiscale की ज़रूरत होती है. So how to overcome that? Which sites will help you get genuine properties while staying in India? How to check for good properties, what areas to live in, what areas to avoid, especially if you're a girl. And because Italy is big on pickpocketing, and after a certain time, they themselves recommend not to go out. So, yeah, we'll cover that, and I'll help you get some more updates also on what happened with my last thing, which was my applying for Permesso. It was a very mushkil job, but I finally got through it and I'm pretty happy that it's done finally now. I don't have the permit, but the application has been set, and it was a very, mushkil and confusing thing to do. So I'll let you know is sab ke bare mein. While applying for my Permesso, what happened is, number one, the amount is supposed to be 70.46 euros and not 72. My college got it filled wrong, and the most important thing is fill your permesso in black pen only. They won't accept it in any other. And any legal document that you fill or you sign or you do anything in Italy is supposed to be done with a black pen. Keep that in mind. Moving forward, जो I told you that payment slip जो होती है उसके 3 parts होते हैं, like half and then one full page. You got to fill the whole thing. And please note, आपका सब कुछ immigration office के through होना चाहिए है. A big thing. Please tell the person who's dealing with you at the Post Italiane office that everything has to be done through the immigration office. Generally, even if you don't know English, they are very accommodating. They will help you out, but it obviously depends upon who you get. So the two ladies I've met, they were pretty helpful, and I had to visit the office 4 times. I'll tell you what and why. It was a very stressful thing. So yeah, first time I went for picking up my kit. You don't have to pay anything for the kit. And second time मैंने थोड़ा fill कर लिया था. I went to Marangoni. I took their help. I filled it up. I went to them, and then they told me it's supposed to be done in black pen. So I had to take another kit from them. They gave it to me. It's free of charge. So then I had to fill another one. And she told me then and there what mistakes I made and what not to do. I'll probably, of course, I can't post it here. So if you text me personally on Instagram or you text on the comments section any doubts that you have, I'll help you with your Permesso application. And personally, I had to fill module 1, so I can help you with module 1. Module 2, you'll have to probably Google or get help from somewhere or ask your friends or colleagues, anywhere. So for your CODIS, you have to apply online, get an appointment. जबकि appointment मिलती है, then you have to go appear, get your CODIS. I think it has to be done in 2-3 working days में मिल जाता है code. And after your code, your bank accounts, everything, and you need to give your code to your rental person also. Now, coming to your accommodations. So for your accommodations, I will list some websites here which are really nice, which helped me get my accommodation too here. And please remember, any images that you see, the room comparatively to the image, whatever you see in that is going to be comparatively smaller. And the site I went through, they help you. Like if the landlord is troubling you, वो ज़्यादा तंग करते हैं and आपका कोई deposit वापस नहीं कर रहे हैं, then the site will help you get the deposit back. That's the only reason I went through this site, because obviously you are in a different country, you have to get accommodation in another. It's a very मुश्किल thing to do, क्योंकि you cannot see the place, you cannot visit the place, you cannot do anything. You just have to book it online. And yeah, of course, they charge a fees for every everything that you rent on their site. They charge a particular fees that depends upon अलग मतलब अलग अकोमोडेशन का अलग फीस है, सबका अलग है, एंड दे कैलकुलेट इट एंड टेल यू कैन चूज योर डेट्स फ्रॉम वेयर टू वेयर, and whatever dates you choose, you have to sign a rental agreement with the landowner. So Italy mein the rental system works on 4-year basis. So what you have to do particularly is जब भी आप छोड़ने वाले हो उससे 3 महीने पहले, या जैसे भी आपके कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में बताया कि 1 महीने पहले इन्फॉर्म करना है, 2 महीने पहले या 3 महीने पहले, you inform your land, I mean your owner, your rental person or the agency जिसके पास भी है, that you need to go. जैसे for example my accommodation is for 6 months and the contract I've signed is for 4 years, but if whenever I want to leave, प्रायर 3 महीने पहले मुझे अपने जो भी बंदी है या बंदा है, द ओनर, उसको इन्फॉर्म करना पड़ता है कि आफ्टर 3 months आई हैव टू लीव. सो दिस इज हाउ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स वर्क इन इटली, एंड जनरली आपको जो भी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिलेगा दैट इज गोइंग टू बी इन इटालियन. यू विल हैव टू ट्रांसलेट इट, either use some AI. Don't use Google Translate. Google Translate is bad at translations. So other than that, use anything, get it translated, and yeah, you can sign it. Generally इतना कुछ नहीं होता है, but do read every term and clause. आपका rent amount सही लिखा हुआ है, deposit amount सही लिखा हुआ है, क्या क्या अकोमोडेशंस में चीजें हैं जो आपको नहीं पे करना है. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल द प्लेस आई लिव एट, माई इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, वाटर बिल्स, दिस एंड दैट, एवरीथिंग इज इंक्लूडेड, एंड वन फी आई हैव टू पे इज एंड पे when I leave, which includes the cleaning fee and the contract fee. Contract fee आपको mostly Italy में like 99% of the times pay करनी ही पड़ती है. So that's not, मतलब you cannot avoid it, so add it to your costs. If you want to live in central Milan, the rent approximately central या उसके हल्का सा मतलब there's a circle and उसके हल्का सा outskirts पे भी अगर आप रहते हो और बीच में रहते हो, तो the rents for a मतलब रूम से रेंज करता हुआ to an, of course an apartment will cost you more and a student residence will cost you more, but whatever your budget is, the rooms in central Milan start from 800 euros and go up to 1500 1600 euros. If you live a little on the outskirts, the rent can come down to 400 euros. If you book very prior, like 6 months in advance or 8 to 10 months in advance, then you might also get places at 300 or 200 euros. But generally those are the sharing ones कि एक ही रूम में 2 जने हैं या 3 जने हैं. If you prefer being alone, the rent will cost you up to 500. So yeah, keep that in mind too. Central में आते आते the rent is quite high. If that's in your budget, you can do that. You get studio apartments here. You like studio apartment will include your like a room, a living room, a bathroom, and a kitchen. Then you get apartments who rent out a single room. एक room अलग अलग बंदे का है, and the living space, the kitchen, the washrooms and the living area is सब use कर सकते हैं, सबके लिए है. And then you get student residences जहाँ पे आपका food, then your gyms, they have a lot of stuff, वो included होता है, but then they cost also थोड़ा ज़्यादा. एंड बाकी डिपेंड्स अपॉन इफ यू टेक यूनिवर्सिटी के थ्रू कुछ ले रहे हो तो ऑफ कोर्स दैट विल कॉस्ट यू अ लिटिल लेस. एंड वन ऑफ द साइट्स दैट आई विल लिस्ट, या आई विल लिस्ट इट here again, is through Marangoni. If you are a Marangoni student, Marangoni will definitely provide you with some promo codes that you can use on your sites and book your apartments. I would suggest for Marangoni students especially, कि जो भी मैरिंगोनी ने साइट्स दी हैं, अगर आप उनके थ्रू आते हैं एंड कल को कुछ इशू आता है तो मैरिंगोनी विल ऑल्सो हेल्प यू गेट थ्रू इट. यू कैन ऑब्वियसली मेल देम, यू कैन टॉक टू द स्टूडेंट थिंग एंड दे कैन हेल्प इट गेट रिजॉल्व, मतलब दे कैन गेट इन्वॉल्व. बट अगर यू डोंट गो थ्रू देम, ऑफ कोर्स देन दे विल नॉट बी एबल टू हेल्प यू. जनरली ऐसे कुछ इशू नहीं आता. एरियाज पर्टिकुलरली यू डोंट नीड टू अवॉइड, बट एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम के बाद आप ना ही बाहर जाओ तो बेटर रहता है. And this doesn't apply on Saturday, Sunday, because Saturday, Sunday it's pretty happening. Everybody is around. But try करना अगर आप सेंट्रल मिलान से दूर रहते हैं तो टाइम से चले जाएं, because वैसे the metros work around till 12 AM, 12 बजे तक चलती हैं, it's okay. But अगर आप बाहर रहते हो तो please plan accordingly. And I would suggest some areas जो मिलान में एक कैनाल है and that area is known as Navili. एंड उसको अगर आप रात को अवॉइड करें तो बेटर है, बिकॉज इट गेट्स वेरी अनसेफ देयर, एज वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा टनल्स हैं एंड पिक पॉकेटिंग तो ऑल अराउंड इटली बहुत ज़्यादा है, एंड टनल्स में वही अगेन चोरी होने का ज़्यादा चांस है। एंड स्पेशली इफ़ यूर अ गर्ल, डोंट गो देयर एट नाइट इन, मतलब अगर आप 9 बजे तक वापस आ जाते हैं या 9 बजे वहां से निकल जाओ, इट्स ओके लाइक। एंड ऐसे कुछ नहीं है कि कुछ बहुत ही अनसेफ एरिया है रहने के लिए, कुछ बहुत ही एक्सट्रीमली सेफ है। आई वुड सजेस्ट कि जिसके भी साथ आप रह रहे हो, इफ यू हैव रूममेट्स, तो आस्क देम कि व्हाट इज द सेफ टाइम टू कम एंड लीव, किस टाइम के बाद आपको नहीं जाना चाहिए बाहर। एंड इफ यू डोंट लिव विद समवन, सामने कोई है, नेबर्स, दिस दैट, गार्ड, सिक्योरिटी गार्ड, जनरली सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स नहीं होते, बट अगर हैं तो you can ask them too. नहीं तो if you are living in central Milan and you have shops and everything around, उधर से पूछ लो। And moreover, you don't have to get that scared. It is okay. And moving to a country, of course, is a little different. Not difficult. It is different. You will get through it. And of course, थोड़ा लगता है, थोड़ा it's stressful, yes. But everything works out. And सब हो जाएगा. You don't need to stress yourself out. And yeah.